Hello, my name is Nefer, and I'm a part of the OpenWorks Youth and Family Program. And today I'll be showing you how to build the desk. So first, I want to grab the back of the desk and look at these two holes. Right? And then second, you will want to grab the top of the desk and then look at the two notches. We simply apply them together, like so. Now, you will want to grab the right side of the desk and simply look at this hook right here and look at the hook on the back of the desk and then simply put them together. I would recommend to hammer them together to make sure they're connected. Then we're pushing the side, and then there you go. The right side is done. Now you will want to grab the left side and do the exact same. And there you go. The sides are done. Now you want to put them up, make it stand. Now you want to grab the shelf top, push it open a little bit, and then simply slide it in. Now, you will want to grab these wood pieces right here. They're called the wedge. And you want to grab the wedges and simply hammer them in. Next, if you want to make the desk a little bit more secure, we'll grab these Ziplocs and then put it through. Grab the other side and stick it through the other hole, like so. Boom. Now next, we're going to grab the other zip lock, like so, zip tie, and then do the other side. Like so. Now, we're going to finish the desk. You will want to put the desk over to the side, and then grab your stool component. See here, you have two stool legs and a seat. As you can see here, you have 4 grooves and 4 glue dots. You want to simply grab one glue dot, and then we'll place it into one of the grooves. Then you will want to put the 2 stool legs together, like so. And then simply add it to the seat. Like so. And now, the stool is finished. And again, my name is Nefer. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also visit the website openworksbmore.org to learn more. Thank you.